Hey people, you wondering what to do with all the sawdust going spare in your workshop? Well, I'm going to tell you about a nutritious and delicious cake that you can make using sawdust readily available in your workshop. Stay tuned. Ah, sawdust. Num 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 num. First of all, you need some sawdust, of course. Now, obviously, you should try and get hold of some artisanal sawdust where possible, but I'm going to make my own using pine freshly harvested from my wood store. But please, make sure if you do make your own sawdust that you don't use anything treated or laminated like plywood, because this contains stuff that will give you a bit of a ticky tummy.
Beautiful. Let's take this into the kitchen and do some baking.
So you'll also need some other ingredients, as sawdust on its own doesn't taste great, I can promise. You will need 275 millilitres of milk, 300 grams of self-rising flour, 200 grams of raisins, or other dried fruit could work, but maybe use a banana, 200 grams of sugar, 1 medium egg, beaten, whatever that means. You think you're better than me? You think you're better than me, do you? Well, you're not, because you're an egg. 1 tablespoon of mixed spice, and of course, your sawdust. First, let's chuck it all into a bowl. Now, if you can make your own wood-turned bowl, this is even better. But you can use a kitchen mixing bowl if you don't have one, like me. Stir the mixture extremely well. If you have a mixer, you could also use this. I have the Festool of mixers, the KitchenAid. But I have a beard, so obviously I prefer to just use hand tools. And if you have a wooden spoon that you've carved yourself, this is fantastic. Otherwise, any wooden spoon will be fine. Plastic will not work. Once it's thoroughly mixed, add some grease to a cake tin and pour the mixture in. I don't have any suitable grease, so I'm going to use machine wax. Now just bake the cake in the oven for about an hour at 140 degrees C, or if you live in a backwards country, that's 284 degrees Fahrenheit. While this is cooking, this is a fantastic opportunity to lick the spoon and bowl. When done, empty the cake into a heat-proof surface and give it a test. You'll know when it's done for sure when you can jab it with a stick and the stick comes out clean when you pull it out. Now just leave it to cool and then serve. Let's give this a try. Tastes like wood. Maybe, do you have any clever recipes of what you could do with sawdust? If so, let me know. And better still, in fact, there's a lovely lady, Shelley Cole, who runs a YouTube channel, Know What Mum Knows, and she's doing a challenge this year with sawdust. And there's some fantastic prizes up for grabs on that one. I'll post a link to her channel in the description below, definitely worth checking out. So I'd love to do more videos like this. So if you have any comments, feedback, suggestions, please post them in the comments below and I'll try and read every one. And stick a like if you like the video, stick a dislike if you don't, that's fine. And yeah, ooh, excuse me. And please hit subscribe and the little notify bell if you want to be informed of more videos that are coming. So have a great day, people, and see you later. Disclaimer, you should eat sawdust at your own risk and have to be an idiot to do so. This video is clearly an April Fool's joke, and YouTube or the Woodgineer accepts no responsibility for harm, sickness or injury or long trips to the emergency room or toilet after eating sawdust. Thank you.